god! What's that ugly song? Oh man! What was this? I think it was Jennifer Lopez. Oh, life is so hard today. I don't know what to do. Oh, my boss just fired me yesterday, and I have no more pepita. I feel like the only thing I could do to change my life is to become a professional rapper. Yes! I will become a rapper. Where are my rapper clothes? Okay.
H to the Izzo, V to the Izzy. With Shizzle, my nizzle used to dribble down in VA. Was herbing them in the home of the turbans. Got it dirt cheap for them. Plus, if they were short with cheese, I would work with them. More than we got rid of that dirt for them. Wasn't born hustlers, I was birthing them. H to the Izzo. Yeah!
You'll never be a rapper because you're white. So you think I'm not going to be a rapper? You're not a rapper. I'm a rapper. My name is Rapper Cool, and you're sitting on a table. Yeah. Here's $10. Yeah. Yeah. So, tell me, what is your rap experience?
I'm the manager of Danier.
Do push-ups. Okay. So why are you beating me?
Because... Do push-ups!
Okay.
Faster!
I want to be a rapper.
You'll never be a rapper.
Why?
Because you're not black.
Why am I not black?
Because you're the son of Celine Dion.
No, Celine Dion is my father. Go away, leave me alone. Oh my god! I won't ever be a rapper. My god, life is so hard. I feel like Christophe Gendreau. I have no more goal in life. What can I do now? Oh, that stranger that I knew for only 5 minutes told me that I won't ever be a rapper because I am white. Why wasn't I born a black people? I wish so much I was black. I think that the only thing I can do now is to do like Michael Jackson, the child molester, and I have to change my skin color. Okay, let's do it. Okay, then let's go, Billy. Just take that Nutella and that knife and put that Nutella all around your face, and then you'll be black and you'll become a rapper and your life will be great. Come on! Spread that Nutella over your face! I cannot do it. It's too hard. How can I put Nutella all over my face and get dirty with that sugar and that hazelnuts and that cocoa? No, I won't become black. I will stay white, and I'll be proud of me. And I'll be a rapper even if I'm white. And then I'll do rap songs, and I'll be rich and have a lot of bitches at home. Yeah! I'm big, yeah, big as an elephant. I'm an elephant. I love water. I give my love to your mother. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, I feel thirsty. I will write some rhymes more. Oh, my telephone is ringing. Hi. Oh, it's you. You're still ringing. What are you telling me? Are you kidding me? You're offering me a rap concert right here behind my house? God damn. Sure, I'll be there. See ya, biatch. That's awesome. Hi everybody! Yeah, DJ, spin that shit!
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity, oh, there goes gravity. Choke, he's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes.
Yeah, welcome to Monster Show!
Yeah!
Yeah!
What's
With
up?
Elephant! Big elephant
Big
is right
elephant.
there! Elephant! Is it because you're big like an elephant?
Yeah, I think that I'm big and I'm great, just like an elephant and Hassan. So you can call me Big Elephant.
Yeah! Yeah!
Rock on!
Rock on!
Do you have other questions?
Yes! Do you have last thing to say?
Yeah, I have a last thing to say to all my people in South Central Los Angeles. Yeah, I want to tell you something, I want to tell you that even if you're white, even if you're black, brown, yellow, orange, you can become whatever you want, even a golf cart. Yeah! Hey, stop filming! Yo, black!